A TreePlasm user may wish to register seedlots from trees in an orchard or trial. These seedlots may be bulk seedlots or may be individual seedlots of half-sieve, in other words, open pollinated seed. Let me show you how to do this. Go to Trees Alive. Filter on the particular orchard or trial. Click on Search to get a list of all the trees in that trial. Identify the trees that you have collected seed from by clicking and highlighting them. Note that when I do this, the action box appears. Please note too that if you are loading seedlots from trees, the particular trees need to be selected. In other words, they need to be marked as a selection, not to be confused with selecting what I do to apply the action. So trees that you collect seed from need to be marked as selections. Once you have identified and chosen the trees that you want to create a seedlot from, open the action box and go to Load New Seedlots. Click on Go. You will see it. TreePlasm will tell you that the number of trees that were identified for seed collection. You will then get various options that you need to specify. Note that each line is a tree. You can process and create the seedlot as a bulk, by tree, by family. Let's consider that we're creating a bulk seedlot. You can select the grade as you've predefined it, the units, the amount that you are keeping for breeding or commercial. Notice that when I populate these fields, the same information that I populate the first field with is cascaded down. I can then select the supplier, the store, the seed store, species label, and the delivery number. This is going to be the name of the seed, of the germplasm for the seed lot. As I enter there, you will see that it cascades down. Now I'm collecting by a bulk, so all these will be bulked together. Individual germplasms will be bulked together to create a bulk germplasm. I simply save all. I can then go to the seed store. I can go to Seedlots. I'm going to do a last edit on today. And there you will see my seedlot. To specify the specific name of the seedlot for those TreePlasm users who do not subscribe to the auto generation of labels, please just specify your seedlot name here. In germplasms, I can also change the name and give it a more descriptive name. For example, I go to Seedlots now and I refresh the search. You will see I have the label number and the germplasm. To explore the germplasm further, let's go to Seed Bulks. I've clicked on the link, but I could also find it by looking under Seed Bulks. If I open that germplasm, you will see the 3 trees that make up that bulk. Note that only one had a selection name, and that selection name has been used for the germplasm. The other 2 trees did not have a selection name, and these have been generated. You can alter these in germplasm's half sib. This bulk is a bulk of 3 half sib germplasms.